Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Danville, local and long-distance movers near me. Long-distance moves require a lot of work as they are generally complicated. That is because a long-distance move covers a distance of over 50 miles from your current location. 3 Movers also offers excellent long-distance moving services. Our movers are also professionals at handling long-distance moves. They are also very organized and pay attention to every detail of your move. Our movers carefully sort, box, and load your belongings into the truck. We go as far as using protective covering to protect fragile items. We arrange your belongings in our strong and well-maintained trucks, and the compartments in our moving trucks also hold your belongings in place and restrict movement during the trip. We work with the state and federal authorities in charge of relocation and have valid permits to transport belongings over long distances. Our drivers know every highway rule and they follow them. They are cautious and drive promptly to their destination, and your belongings get to your new location on time and in their original condition. A local move is a move that covers less than 50 miles, and 3 Movers offers outstanding local moving services. Our local moves are efficient and timely. You don't need to worry about being overcharged because we have a transparent pricing policy. We offer our services at the cheapest rates, and our moving rates range between $30 and $40 an hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Danville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. Request a free quote using our online request form.